This 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche Z66 is offered exclusively by Capital Kia. The Chevrolet includes seats, front sport cloth reclining buckets, head restraints, overhead console, DO7, floor console, seat adjuster, power driver 6-way, dueling board armrests and storage pockets, cloth seats, AM/FM stereo, CD player, power driver seat, CD changer, bucket seats, transmission, 4-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive and tow-haul mode, STD, transmission, overdrive switch, 4-speed of Tunmeyer per ton tires, P265/70R17, all-season touring, white outlined letter tires, front all-season tires, rear all-season engine, Vortec 5300 V8 SFI 295 horsepower 8-cylinder engine, gasoline fuel, paint, solid, STD. Note: for third-party subscriptions or services, please contact the dealer for more information. The Chevrolet Avalanche is the benchmark all other SUVs strive to meet. With exceptional power, towing and handling, this SUV can handle anything thrown at it. Driven by many, but adored by more, the Avalanche Z66 is a perfect addition to any home. The look is unmistakably Chevrolet. The smooth contours and cutting-edge technology of this Avalanche Z66 will definitely turn heads.